Hey guys, it's grocery haul time again. It's been a couple of weeks since we did a Sam's and Walmart grocery haul, so I thought I would do another one. So we're going to start with our Sam's haul first. More peanut butter crackers. Built Puff bars for me. Z-bars for Aaron. This is a new obsession of his. My mom had some at her house and he loved them. I liked them too. So I got a big box of them for him. Blueberry and cinnamon crunch muffins. This was not a necessity by any stretch of the imagination, but we do really like having these in the freezers. What? What? Are you looking to see what I got? What have I got, Aaron? Does it look like good stuff? Yeah. A great big bag of frozen broccoli florets because we eat a lot of broccoli. Copious amounts of cheese because, you know, cheese goes on everything.
We eat a lot of cheese.
This was one of those things that I saw that was on sale. I know, does that look good, Aaron? And I knew this would be a quick and easy dinner for us, and we like these. Another household staple, butter. More cheese, a big, huge wedge of Parmesan cheese. And you guessed it, more cheese. My fake Parmesan flavored sawdust. I love this stuff. So more cheese. And then I've got some fruit. I got some Honeycrisp apples. We have some red grapes. And some bananas. And I did order strawberries and they did not give me my strawberries. So. Alright. Sweet onions. Aaron's newest drink obsession. Sunny D's. You want to go put those in yonder? Go put them out there where your drinks go. A pack of hamburger meat that I will divide up for different meals. One meal that I have planned with part of it is the Sloppy Joe stuff that you put on the Texas toast and all that. So I'm going to try that. So that's plans for part of it, and the rest of it will just go in the freezer. And then we have a big pack of chicken breast. So I will divide this in two. And I'm going to do some chicken and gravy over rice with one of the halves. And the other half, a friend of mine had asked that I do some crock pot recipes. So the other half, I'm going to make a crock pot chicken recipe. And some more caramels for my husband. And these are staples in our house. Maple syrup and honey. Alright, that's it for my Sam's haul. Okay, now for the Walmart haul. This is another one of Aaron's favorites, the Cherry Berry Lemonade Zero Sugar Body Armors. He likes these too. Bacon, because I have to have bacon in the house at all times. Some mini bell peppers, again, a staple in my house. I think I'm going to use one of them for a meal I'm making, and then the other one's just to have on hand. And of course, Kraft cheese slices, that's a staple. 2 heads of cabbage because we love cabbage. So I bought 2 heads so that I could cook up a big pot of it for us to have. Yogurt, my husband takes one of these a lot of times to go with his breakfast in the mornings. And then my son sometimes has a fruit and yogurt bowl with his breakfast. Canned biscuits, I have another can somewhere. But I did these instead of frozen biscuits for my son's either breakfast or lunch. I bought a salad kit to go with to have as a side dish for the little Sloppy Joe on the Texas toast little things I'm making. So, more frozen dinners. People can say what they want to about them, but they make for an easy lunch. And if my husband doesn't have any leftovers to take, he can grab one and take it to work. Are you trying to get him? Come on.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
You the money maker, no.
Come on.
I'm just a man.
You make it better. You make it better.
No.
Texas toast for the Sloppy Joe Texas toast things I'm making. A bag of cheese tortellini because the crock pot chicken dish that I'm going to make this week is going to be like a creamy chicken situation. And I think my husband and I are going to have it over mashed potatoes, or have mashed potatoes on the side. And my son does not like mashed potatoes, so I bought these to go with it for him. A big bag of hash browns because I'm going to make, I have been meal prepping the little sausage McGriddle things for my husband, for both of us, my husband and myself. And we've been enjoying those, but I saw a crock pot breakfast casserole situation that I'm going to try this week. Frozen carrots for a side dish for supper one night. Chubs of creamed corn because my son loves them. Sister Schubert rolls because I like to keep these on hand. My son loves them. And y'all already know ice cream for my son and sometimes my husband. That's why I have to buy two.
I get my business for.
Other can of biscuits. 2 things of eggs. 1 thing of eggs just for me to have to cook for breakfast or lunch, to fry up or whatever. Then I bought these to go in the breakfast casserole because the breakfast casserole is going to take a whole dozen. So I bought these for that. Sour cream for a meal I'm making this week. I see a lot of people talk about these and how good they are, so I bought some to try. They're little Chobani, 0 added sugar, 20 grams of protein, little berries. Stock up on baby wipes for our bathrooms and other rooms in the house. Italian seasoning because I was getting low. Cans of manwich for the meal this week. I was almost out of chopped pecans in my freezer, so I bought a restock of that. Restock of chicken broth. Flour tortillas for my husband's breakfast burritos that I'm going to make. Roasted red peppers for the chicken crock pot meal I'm making. A package of stew meat because, again, I'm trying to do a couple of crock pot meals this week. And I'm going to try to make stroganoff in my crock pot. Some beef consomme for the beef stroganoff. Egg noodles for the stroganoff. I don't ever buy this much sausage. Never, ever. But
There you go.
that's a lot of sausage. Okay, so let's break it down. These we keep in the freezer all the time. An easy brunch on the weekends or lunch for my son or breakfast for my son during the week. So we always keep these and we were out. These are going to be for the breakfast casserole that I'm making in the crock pot this week. And then these I got because I can use one to make the little McGriddle muffins, sausage McGriddle muffins if I want to. And my son has been loving sausage gravy and biscuits for lunch. So cream cheese for the crock pot chicken recipe. Mushrooms for the stroganoff recipe. Gorilla tape for my husband. Some little Airwick little sprayer thing, automatic little sprayer refill cans. Some grape water flavoring. This is my favorite flavor I like to put in my waters. And some toothpaste. Alright guys, I think that's it. Sure don't look like I have as many groceries as what money I spent. I spent a small mortgage on all this stuff. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all let me know what y'all are planning on cooking this week. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time. Bye. Do you want to say bye? Well, come here. Look. They can't see you. Scoot over some more. Now, say bye.